Here's how you can get rid of text-to-speech on iPhone. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can get rid of text-to-speech on your iPhone device. So, make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just go to your iPhone settings. So, I'm just going to go inside settings, and here as you can see, once you're inside settings, just basically swipe down until you see the option of accessibility. So, just press on it, and right over here, you just gotta go ahead and press on voiceover. So if voiceover is turned on, that means your text to speech is turned on. And this text to speech is basically for those people who can't see and that actually can't, they got like seeing issues or stuff like that. Whatever they tap on, it just iPhone speaks for them. So to do that, just basically turn that off, and there you go. You've basically turned it off. So now, if you want to remove the other type of text to speech, just like, so just basically go to spoken content right over here, and here you'll see the option of speak selection and speak screen. So for me, both of these options are turned off. So if these are turned on for you, just basically turn them off, and there you go. You've basically gotten rid of text to speech on your iPhone device. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can get rid of text to speech on iPhone. So I hope this video helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.